Alright, let's turn it on. Back up. Got your controller on?
Turn it back on.
Alright, you ready? Turn it up.
It's on the bottom of it. Get it out of it. Right there.
Alright, you ready to go up again? Ready? Alright, come back up over here.
I'm gonna fly it.
Hold that. Hold that controller.
I have to go up in that seat.
Yeah, where is it? Almost. I'm in a tree. There's a camera up there. There it is.
Hey, Jimmy, you broke a piece. You broke it.
What's broken?
You broke it. Can't fly it now. You made a piece.
Uh-oh.
Here, I No, it's the color.
Alright, hold on to that. It might be too windy to fly, Mr. Zeta.
No, you can't fly with fireworks. No, it's broken.
Oh, it might be. Hold on.
It might be broken. You just got in a tree. You see those no dandelions there.
Alright, let's scoot over.
No.
Ready? And we flipped it. Let's go to the middle of the park and see. All right, back up. Come over here.
Jimmy! 1, 2 pieces.
You get this piece too. Hold on to this one. Get all the pieces? Good, good?
See, we gotta put it back together. Let's put it back together.
We might just be taking this apart. All right, ready? Back up.
No,
Hold on to this.
no! Don't
Back up.
play it.
Go spin fast. It'll hurt you. Back up.